Hello everyone, Southside Stacker here, and today I want to show you one of the gifts I'm giving to my lady on her 30th birthday, turning the big 3-0, so I decided one of the many gifts to shower her with would be a birth year silver piece. And I decided to not go with an American Eagle, but something a little bit more commemorative. So I decided to get this United States Mint 1988 Olympic coin. So I'm going to show it off to you real quick. It's come in this nice little box within a box. Has the COA right there, Treasury United States Mint, 1988 uncirculated silver coin. Let's see how to open this thing. And the COA right here. So we have a little bit about the artist. The obverse is designed by Patricia Varani. The reverse is designed by Cheryl Winter. And a little bit of a little bio about them. COA here. You can pause it and read it if you want. But it says... this is a coin. Let's see, how much silver is in this? It's 90% silver. Yeah, it's 90% silver. Oh, right there it says 0.76 troy ounce of silver. So that's about $11 worth of silver in here. So yeah, we're big spenders out here. So let me show you what's under the hood. So we have a little box here, nice little velvet. Very soft box with the American Eagle there. Really nice. Doing this all with one hand, bear with me. Inside, USA, the Olympics, and the obverse of the coin. It says Olympiad, 1988D, In God We Trust, Liberty, with one hand lighting the torch. Really nice. All right, I'm gonna pop this out. Ooh, give me a second. So here we have the obverse. Right there, looks really nice. And the reverse, United States of America, $1. Has the wreath, USA, E Pluribus Unum, with the Olympic rings. Looks really good. Yeah, that's the gift. I think I'm going to dress it up a little better than this case, only because I don't like it in the capsule, because the capsule is a little cracked up. But I'll probably put it in something else. So yeah, I also wanted to say thank you all for 900 subs. It's a pretty big deal to me to have so much support from you guys, and I always want to send that support back. And I always check out your videos, comment and like and everything. And I also want to do some shout outs. I want to send some shout outs to some people who help my channel grow. And I'll show you who they are right now. The first person I want to shout out is Rick G Profit Coins. He does a lot of coin roll hunts, and he'll find some silver. I think the last video of his that I saw, he found 1939 S nickel, and he was just all over the place. He was so happy he could barely talk. And it's really good to see him just having genuine fun digging through these rolls looking for silver. So I'll leave his link in the description and the comments. Another person I want to shout out is RC Dre. You can tell by his name he has a lot of remote control cars and remote control almost anything. He's on a skateboard in one of his videos that's remote controlled. It's really cool. But he does a lot of cool compilations of his RC cars. They'll be flipping in the air, doing stunts. And he always has some really good music in the background. And shout out to Interp66. This guy built his own pond in his backyard. And he always gives us updates about the maintenance and if there's like a mystery leak or something. What I really love of his videos is his underwater fish videos. So he has a lot of fish in his pond too. And he'll throw like a GoPro or something in there. And we'll watch them feed and act crazy. And I just enjoy those videos, so I'm just going to shout out Interp66, and yeah, check them out. And last but not least, I want to send another shout out to Tessa Cunningham. She does live streams of her sunrises almost every morning, and it's really good to see the sun, especially if you're in an area where I am, where I can't really enjoy the sunrise. Enjoy some good meditation music, see all the friendly people in the chat and say good morning. It's really nice. On that note, I want to say once again, thank you all for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate the love and support you all send to me, and I'm very happy to send it all back. Thank you for checking out this coin today with me. This is for my lady's 30th. And let me know in the comments, what have you been getting your significant others this year? Is it silver? Is it gold? Is it diamonds? Oh yeah. All right, so see you all in the next one, and Southside out.